Pinto
So
po
now we
yun.
are here.
So now we are here in Studio
So
23,
now we are here.
ABS-CBN
So
Jensen,
now we are her.
with my AB
So
English.
now we are her.
Yeah.
We are
Image.
also here in ABS-CBN Studio 23 with Jude.
Yes, with
But-
me.
It has been.
And
And with us.
Yes, and with us.
It has been here.
Yes, and not this year.
And I would really
No.
want to buy this company because I believe that
No,
you run
may
this company very
background.
well.
Then there is the background.
Yan is the background there.
I will.
So, ito po yung nangyayari ngayon sa nangyayari sa God's Believe.
Chinito, man chinito.
Ikaw ay nakakaba ay nakikita.
Yes, we love it here.
Yes. Ito ang pinakamagandang angle ng ABS-CBN.
Yung
May
butas dito.
background.
Ito.
Ito po ang mga nakaw nila na mga ano.
Uy, balik na
sasakyan.
ta, uy.
Sorry.
Ito po yung bagong carnap lang na tricycle.